Go around the tree.
Alright, slows. This is not normal. Whoa, whoa, stop. I went around, I made a wide turn. Hold on. Hold on, he's still. Okay, go. Very wide, over here also, very wide. Okay, you good? Alright, you want to go on the street? That is crazy. It's not normal. Wow. Watch where you going, watch the car. It's insane. Holy cow. We're taking a turn? Holy, he's out of his mind, your brother. Here, watch over here, we got a turn coming up, you know the street? Whoa. Whoa. Uh-oh, watch the sewer. Oh. Watch out. Sparks. That is crazy. This is just not normal. Oh, ow. Wow, and his skis are out. Oh no, I don't know if his skis are out.
I just got
That was awesome.
Yeah. Well, let's just go back to Uni's house. You're facing out
Here, now you could switch because I got that on video.
Fine, so now you don't switch.
What happened when you fell?
I got too sideways, and it doesn't grip here on the road.
All right.
So you see how the slide? Once I got that angle, I couldn't straighten it back out.